the All India Federation of Motor Vehicle Department Technical Officers Association is the sole organization dedicated to overseeing road safety standards in the national interest. It has been functioning continuously for 37 years. The summit, which took place on 8 February 1986 in Bangalore, was convened by the Karnataka Association and attended by representatives from more than 10 states. The federation was officially established and registered under the name of Validity with registration number S628-8788 on 19th December 1987 in Bangalore. Since then, it has grown to include 25 states and union territories as its members. The sequence of individuals holding positions in the federations from its establishment is as follows. From 1987 to 1995, Mr. Bhaskar Malve, Mr. G.P. Deshpande, Mr. Barun Bakshi, Mr. Murge, Mr. B.R. Chavan, Mr. V.B. Karve, Mr. M.B. Mahatre, Mr. Sridharan Pillai, Mr. G. Raju, Mr. Messi Reddy, Mr. S.S. Velumani, Mr. Ram Lingam and Mr. Dabas. During the period from 1996 until 1999, Mr. Bhargav Phadke and Mr. D.P. Deshpande. From 2000 to 2001, Mr. Dilip Jadhav and Mr. Barun Bakshi. The period from 2002 to 2008, Mr. Dilip Jadhav and Mr. P. Nukraju. The time period from 2009 to 2017, Mr. Ashfaq Ahmed and Mr. P. Nukraju. However, starting from 2018 to now, the president has been Mr. Ashfaq Ahmed and the General Secretary is Mr. Vasudev Bhagat. The Federation has declared Road Safety Vision 2030 Zero Fatality as its mission statement. The Federation has been an active participant in various committees established by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, New Delhi. And it is a recognized member of the National Road Safety Council of India, which operates under its tutelage of the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. With the continuous rise in the number of automobiles since the 1980s, there has been a corresponding increase in the rate of accidents. The primary goal of the Federation has been to promote road safety by striving to reduce the number of fatalities and injuries associated with road travel. In addition to this, the Federation is dedicated to the well-being of member association and their working circumstances. The Federation organized the inaugural international conference Road Safety Vision 2030 at Sukhadia University, Udaipur, Rajasthan on May 21-22, 2011 with the aim of establishing a comprehensive plan for road safety. In order to prepare, the Federation has effectively arranged workshops on road safety in various locations including Bangalore, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Kolkata, Jaipur, Kochi, Trivandrum, Lucknow, Udaipur, Tripura, Ranchi, Nasik, Mizoram and Manipur. The Federation trained members from different states in the US to build our Federation and share the finest knowledge. Women Technical Officer having significant role in Motor Vehicle Department by contribution through excellent work. In order to raise awareness about road safety in Rajasthan, the Federation partnered with Messrs Hindustan Zinc Limited, Vedanta Group to finance a road safety van. This initiative was executed by Rajasthan Parivahan Nirikshak Sangh, Rajasthan Sadak Suraksha Society. The program was launched on July 5, 2013 in Agucha, Udaipur. The van traversed Rajasthan delivering road safety awareness seminars. The Federation plays a crucial role in addressing concerns concerning the amendment of the Motor Vehicles Act and the Central Motor Vehicle Rules 1989. These matters encompass traffic rules, vehicle insurance, motor vehicle registrations, and the regulation of permits and fines. The Federation's role extends beyond the accomplishment of its mission programs. For example, the Federation participated in the 2019 amendment of the Motor Vehicle Act 1988 by sending a delegation to present suggestions to the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Transport and Tourism and the Select Committee on Motor Vehicle Act 2019. After discussions with the highest authority, the federations aimed to implement feasible changes to the regulations. The Federation promotes the ongoing education and knowledge advancement of its member association regarding recent advancements and modifications in significant fields such as automobile engineering, motor vehicle laws, and motor vehicle taxation laws. The significant rulings of the esteemed Supreme Court and different high courts on the Motor Vehicle Act and its associated regulations are continually conveyed to the members. Following the significant impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, our Federation members have devotedly served the public throughout COVID-19, disregarding their own health in the process. Post-COVID, we have conducted many activities and the major of them by the Federation at the glance. Conducted webinars on technical matters during COVID-19 to the members in pan-India level, workshops on road safety inaugurated by Honorable CM Jharkhand at Ranchi in 2018. Road Safety Club formation and issue of free helmet Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu by Honorable Transport Minister in 2023. The Government of India has chosen AIF for the prestigious Samaritan Award in recognition of the Federation's commendable efforts in the year 2021, National Conference at Rajasthan and other states, Seminar on Motor Vehicle Act 2019 Maharashtra. President address at Nagpur and website of AIF launched by Honorable Minister Shri Nitin Gadkari Sahab. Attended CITCO meeting at Kerala and Karnataka. Our helmet advocacy program at Nasik for Women in presence of Honorable Bharti Tai Pawar, Minister of State Health. AIF is tied up with helmet manufacturing industry giant Steelbird with the CSR funding and distributing helmets in concessional price for the needy. The Federation is actively pursuing the implementation of the standardized procedure throughout all state transport departments in the country. This initiative aims to streamline processes and provide a smooth and efficient service to the general public at transport offices nationwide. This standardized procedure is designed to enhance productivity, promote transparency in governance processes, ensure efficient work output, and facilitate the exchange of best practices in the field of road safety. Our ultimate objective is to achieve the AIF Road Safety Vision 2030, Zero Fatality, which is our primary focus and mission.